going to talk about how to use the AND gate in a circuit and how these IC chips will help us to build a circuit and also help us to investigate the operations of the AND gate using this circuit. So first I'm going to take out the breadboard, the components I need: 3 resistors, 2 for the input, 1 for the output, 1 LED, 9-volt battery, then the IC chip, which is 7408. I need a regulator, 5-volt regulator. I need a dip switch. Now let's build the circuit. I hope you guys can see it. So first let's change the value of the resistor to 330 ohm for 3 of them to be better. If I have 3 of the resistor changed to 330 ohm. So the inputs will go, I prefer to put it like that. My IC chip, you guys can see the little dot in the IC chip, so it shows you how the IC chip should be placed. So first let's do the connection, the ground, and then the power supply. Now you guys can see in the IC chip it shows the power. It's gonna go to the power supply and the ground. The last one is the ground, which will be connected to the ground of the breadboard, black. So now let's work with the input. So the first resistor will be connected to the 4A input of the IC chip, and the second one will be connected to the 4B of the IC chip. Then I'm gonna use the switch. This will go to the power supply. For the 2 inputs, I need 2 of them to be working, so I don't need the other 2. And now the resistor for the output. The anode will be connected to the terminal of the resistor and the cathode will go to the ground. And then I'm going to connect the battery. Negative goes to the ground, power supply goes to the input, ground goes to the ground, and then the power supply. So the output should be connected to the resistor of the IC chip. You guys have to make sure that all of the wiring is done correctly, or else it's not gonna work. It works right now. So this is the AND gate, and what we know for the AND gate, that if both of the switch of the input is on, the output is going to be on. If one of them is off, it's going to be off. If the second input is off, the LED is going to be turned off. If both of them is on, the LED is going to turn on. So this is the characteristic of the AND gate IC chip. So I hope you guys understand it. If you guys have any question, feel free to comment, and if you like it, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.